Hey everyone, Master Jacques here with eXp Real Estate Hub. And welcome to my new listing, 945 Route 6 in Curran. This here, house with a secondary dwelling unit. 3-bedroom upstairs, 1 bathroom. And downstairs, 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. Right behind me is a shop, 44 by 32 feet. It also has a 14 feet door and a 9 feet door. Features a small kitchenette and a full bathroom. All of these units have their separate hot water tanks and their separate hydrometers. This is the perfect income property. Come and see it for yourselves.